Brayden? And get the rope?
Look at that smile.
How are you supposed to get up there?
You don't.
Climb?
Watch you. Okay, we're going to watch you. Go ahead. Hey. You'll get next. You'll get it next time. Watch out. Okay, Dre. You'll get it next time. Go. Wow. That's great. Okay, Levi's turn. Levi, take it. Here Levi goes.